an Italian classic, literally made for the masses. In a bowl, combine flour, baking powder, sugar, salts, olive oil, and water and knead for at least 5 minutes. It should be soft and form a ball. Place the ball in a warm place. Cover with wrap or a cloth and let it rise for 90 minutes. Remove from the bowl and divide the dough in two. Roll each part with a rolling pin to form a round pizza shape. Preheat the oven to 350° F cover with the passata and mozzarella cheese. Bake for 12-15 minutes or until bubbly. Cut and serve with fresh basil.